Hey everyone. This is Antonio. I'm a collector from Mexico City, and I specialize on collecting underground records from Mexican bands from all the time. And I was pretty skeptical when I first was invited to test the Kermos system, but I thought it could be a good idea because I have digitized most of my collection with really high quality. As you can see, these are 96 kilohertz and 24 bits recordings. And I have original versions I recorded with a needle using a traditional ultrasonic machine cleaning solution. So this is a first approach I did with an ultrasonic cleaner. Let me show you. So this is it. This is the ultrasonic machine with a needle. So take a look. So this very same record, I cleaned it again with the same ultrasonic machine and digitized it with a laser turntable. And this is what I got. So as you can see, the quality improved drastically. So my expectation with the Kermos machine was that I was not going to see much more of an advantage to the ear. So we can visually see the benefits that I already had with the laser turntable. And to my surprise, guys, this is how it looks like with the Kermos machine. So just look at it. Just by looking at it, I can know that there is way less surface noise and that whatever clicks and pops are remaining are on the record because it's a pretty damaged record. But this is amazing and outstanding. Just take a listen to yourself by yourselves. So I don't know if you can get it through the speakers, but the sound difference is huge, guys, huge. I'm really impressed. And I also have a selection from the other side of the record with the same quality. So this one was played by a needle. So let's take a listen.
Soy una sombra de todo, soy de la nada su sombra.
Now, the reason why I chose also this record is because these passages are really soft and quiet. So any damages become really apparent. So this is how it looked like with the needle and the ultrasonic cleaning. This is the second way in which I did it, with a second ultrasonic cleansing process and a laser turntable. So
Soy una sombra de todo, soy de la nada.
And finally, to my surprise, and again, you can see the surface noise visually here. This is how it sounds after being cleaned by the Kermos machine and digitized with a laser turntable.
Soy una sombra de todo, soy de la nada su sombra, soy la esperanza y la duda, soy.
So as you can see, guys, this is a really tough test, and I like to see results. And if I cannot actually see the results and the benefits of something, I will not go with that system. And with the Kermos machine, I can definitely see great results, and that's measurable by science, and I'm really happy about it. Thank you very much, guys.